welcome back. Thank you for joining my channel, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So right now I'm gonna do some usual prepping that I do, and I don't always do it, but I had just recently taken off a set, so that is why I needed to just prep my nails just a little bit. So I'm going around with my small diamond bit around the cuticle to clean up the cuticle area, and then I'm gonna use a nail file instead of my sanding band just to file any leftover product from my previous nail set. And now I'm going in with my Born Pretty peel off base and curing that for 60 seconds. And now for this set today, I was inspired by this Seashell set, and I thought it was so cute. I saw it on Instagram, so I decided that I was going to recreate it. And for this set, I wanted to do the lazy girl method. Yes. So I'm going to use these MAKARTT almond or stiletto shape full cover tips, and I believe I got it from Amazon, so I'll leave the link below. And one thing I like about these nail tips is that it has like a high apex, almost like if you guys see the Gel X nails, they have a high apex too, which I really like. So that is something that I recommend if you're looking for something like long term when using full cover tips. So right now I'm just going to size them, and once I got all the nail tips sized, I'm going in with my Born Pretty solid tip gel, and I've used this before and I loved it. So I'm just going to, you see I scoop a little bit inside the nail tip and then press on the nail tip to get that, basically like to smush it in. I don't know if that's correct, but I just wanted to squeeze all the product in so that it will adhere better. And once I basically squeeze it all in, I do individually cure each nail for 60 seconds. I also like this solid tip gel because it is thick. So where you see the space here, like you see that apex, all the gel will be fit in and you won't have like leftover room where it can easily pop off. So that's really good, like I said, for long term if you're trying to wear these nails for 2 weeks or more. It's good to have like a thick gel to adhere the nail tip to, or to glue on the nail tip. So now I am just filing the sides and rounding off the tips for each nail. And now I'm going to buff them so that the gel polish can adhere to the nail tip. This is something I recommend because gel polish does not stay on a smooth surface, so that's why you need to rough up the nail. And then for my cuticle area, I did have some spillage when it comes to the solid tip gel, so I'm just going back in with my small diamond bit around the cuticle and taking off any of that excess gel. And once I was done, I just sprayed some alcohol to take off any of that excess dust. And this is the photo again to show you exactly what I'm going to be recreating. Now I'm going in with my ROSALIND gel polish in the number 01. And this is like a see-through cream color. It's one of my favorite colors because it gives the nail that natural look. So I really, really love that so much. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this and cure each coat for 60 seconds. So because the picture had white Frenchies, I'm going in with my Madame Glam white gel paint and just making some deep deep smile line Frenchies for all of the nails. And it's pretty easy. I like to go from side to side and further, bring down the gel polish. Just makes it much easier. If you're having a hard time when it comes to the smile line or making French tips with gel polish, I recommend a good brush. And I got this brush from AliExpress and it's definitely my favorite. You also need a good gel polish. So when it comes to like making French, I like to use a gel paint because the consistency won't smudge or won't be watery or flooded. So that's why I like using my gel paints. And like I said, you need a good brush to make that perfect smile line. Now, once that was all done, I'm going in with my Saviland white builder gel. And I'm using a builder gel because I wanted a thicker consistency. So to create that seashell look. So that's why I use it. And I'm sorry I'm like not focused in the camera, but it gets clear. As you can see what I'm trying to do. I'm making that seashell, sorry guys, that seashell look. Oh my god, do you guys remember that that saying, she sells she shores by the sea, whatever, Sally sells she shells, whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, back to the nails design. So yeah, I'm just going in with my white builder gel and making those seashell lines. Now, once I've created those lines, I'm no longer going to say seashell because I've been having a hard time saying it. But this is how they look after they're cured, and it looks so good. So now I'm going in with my gel glaze, and these are like these see-through gel polishes, which I love. And I'm going in with the brown first. And I'm just making lines around the, just going in with the polish and making lines around it. You see that I'm not really, I'm just throwing it on there because you don't really need it to be perfect, because am going to go in with my flat brush and now spread it out to give it that seashell look, so that sandy look. So this is what I'm doing here. And then after I'm done spreading that out with my brush, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And this is how they look. So to give it more dimension, I went in with my orange, and I am so sorry guys, I am out of the camera, I didn't even notice, but you can see I'm just putting it at the tip. So I'm putting the orange at the tip, and then I do the exact same thing and blend it out with my flat brush. And like I said, this is just to give it dimension, give it that sandy seashell look, because when you have a seashell, it looks like so many different browns and orangey. So that's what I'm doing here, just spreading it out. And then I go back in with my the brown, and now I outline the lines that I created with the builder gel, just to give it some more and more dimension. And I was really trying to accomplish that realistic seashell look. So that's what I'm doing here. And now once that was all done, I did go in with my top coat, and I totally forgot that the top coat is going to seep into those lines, and I'm no longer going to have the seashell, effect. So I cured it, and then when I took it out the lamp, I was like, oh my God, if you could see it, there's no more lines. It's like barely there. So I just took my Savvyland Clear Builder Gel and went back in, and now this is how they look. Wa-boom. I hope you like that little glass effect. And pow wow, these are the final nails. Look how gorgeous they look. I think I did a really good job trying to make it really realistic seashells. So I'm so proud of myself. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget about my 1,000 subscriber. And I will see you guys, 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I will see you guys next time.